In this video, we'll go through factoring by grouping, which is actually just finding the greatest common factor. First step, check how many terms you have and realize that the common factor is a minus b. Dividing out an a minus b, we're left with x plus y. Here we have four terms. Is there anything common in each of the four? The answer is no. We can, however, regroup two terms together and examine each separately. In the first set, we have a common x, and we're left with a plus b. In the second set, we have a common plus y, and we're left with a plus b. And now we can examine two terms with an a plus b common, and we're left with x plus y. We should do a quick check. So first is a times x. Outside is a times y. Inside is b times x. And last is b times y, which is exactly what we have. We'll examine both terms. X minus y is common, and we're left with 2a plus 1. Four terms, nothing common in each. Grouping, we'll take out an x. Now we have a negative 2ay. We need a positive, so we'll take out a negative y. 2a minus 3b. Two terms. Two ax minus 2ay minus 3bx plus 3by. Four terms. Now x is almost common in all of them, but we probably should regroup. If we regroup here, we have a common 2. If we regroup here, we have a common negative 2x. So we'll have 2 bracket x squared plus y. Now, right here, you realize you're not going to get an x squared plus y. Our choice of regrouping isn't right. We need to rewrite 2x squared minus 2x plus 2y minus 2xy. And hopefully that'll help. We almost have what we need. However, we probably should have taken out a negative here. So 2x bracket x minus 1. Take out a negative 2y. And here we're left with negative 1 plus x. And now we have a common x minus 1 and a 2x minus 2y. But we're not finished. There's a common 2 in there. So we have x minus 1, take out a 2, x minus y, And finally, to bracket x minus 1 times x minus y. Let's check. We have x squared minus xy, and inside is negative x, outside is positive y. And finally, distributing the 2, we have 2x squared minus 2xy minus 2x plus 2y. 2x squared minus 2xy minus 2x plus 2y. So we're right. 4 terms. Because of this y all by itself, we cannot factor by grouping. The only thing we can do with this question is take out a common factor of 3. Let's insert a y into perhaps right here and see how that question would change. Now, just by making that simple change right here, we can factor this expression. We're left with y minus 2. In the second set, we'll take out a minus 3, an n, and an x, and we're left with y minus 2. Common y minus 2, and we're left with 3mx minus 3nx. And now examining the inside, we'll take out a 3x, and we're left with m minus n. And finally, 3x bracket y minus 2 times m minus n will give us the original, but we should check. Y times m minus ny minus 2m plus 2n. We have 3xym minus 3xny minus 6xm plus 6xn. Yes, 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 and yes.